Soil biodiversity could constitute, if an enabling environment is built, a real nature-based solution to most of the agricultural problems humanity is facing today, from the field to the global scale. Therefore, efforts to conserve and protect biodiversity should include the invisible array of microorganisms that make up more than 25% of the total biodiversity of our planet. Soil organisms drive processes that produce food, purify soil and water, and preserve both human well-being and the health of the biosphere. Soil organisms can be grouped into three broad categories: soil microorganisms and microfauna, mesofauna, and macrofauna and megafauna. SoildiverAgro pursues the adoption of new management practices and cropping systems, fostering synergies between crop production, biodiversity, and ecosystem services. SoildiverAgro objectives are: expand agroecological knowledge, deliver best practices and production systems, develop new methods and tools, deliver strategies and tools and define operational biodiversity targets, reduce dependence on external inputs in plant management. SoildiverAgro is organized around 6 geographical areas where 15 case studies will be performed to better understand how soil organisms' benefits can be applied to improve plant resource uptake, growth development, and health. The case studies are organized around 3 different crops: potatoes, wheat, and vegetables, in mono and diversified cropping systems. We will focus on the use of innovative management practices based on soil mycorrhiza and plant growth promoting bacteria, including the development and testing of new commercial products, appropriate management of soil organisms, for example fungivores, the application of suitable crop rotations, multiple cropping and intercropping, the development of pest alert systems, the use of nutrient catch crops, the use of trap crops for pest control, the use of byproducts as soil ameliorants, and the application of adequate tillage systems. SoildiverAgro follows the multi-actor approach to obtain important feedback from different identified stakeholders. The project will create regional stakeholders communities, which will involve not only farmers. The process will follow the next steps. 1. Stakeholder identification. Regional coordinators will identify target stakeholders. 2. Stakeholder selection. First list of stakeholders. 3. Stakeholder engagement. A key group of stakeholders will be built around each case study. Also, SoildiverAgro counts with an external advisory board, which provides the necessary tools for project monitoring. The regional communities will form a network that will be active not only during the implementation of the project, but also in the future. SoildiverAgro brings together 22 partners from 7 countries, including universities, applied research centers, enterprises, non-profit organizations, farms and farmers organizations, and public administrations. SoildiverAgro is funded by the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program. Stay tuned.